Hey guys, welcome back. Here in front of me today I have the Huawei P20 Lite, the youngest brother of the P20 series. So let's open it and start today's video. So let's quickly unbox it. Inside the box, on the top, is the phone itself. Then there is some manuals and warranty cards, and oh, right there is this SIM card tool. Wait, I'll just remove that. And I'll keep it on the side. Then there is this USB Type-C cable. And the charging brick, which is a normal one and not a fast charger. And I think that's it in the box. Oh wait, what is right there? Oh, there is an earphone also included in the box. Nowadays that is rare to see. Well, I think that's it in the box, nothing else. So let's start our review. The P20 Lite supports a 5.4-inch display and a thin bezel with a notch. This means it feels compact. The phone has a glass back which looks fabulous. The P20 Lite is the first free light phone to get USB Type-C. And not just the name, but it is very light too, as it is just 145 gram. It is slim too, with a thickness of just 7.4 millimeters. The glass back, the metal frame, it all gives it a nice premium in-hand feel. Overall, I feel Huawei has done a great job here. The 5.84-inch IPS LCD display panel has a 19:9 aspect ratio and full HD plus resolution, meaning a pixel density of about 430 pixels per inch. The notch might not be everyone's liking, but that's what's helped Huawei to keep everything nice and compact and achieve a high screen-to-body ratio. If you really don't like the notch, there is always an option included in the settings to turn it off. Now, the display itself is quite good. It's sharp and has excellent viewing angles. It reproduces natural colors and gets bright enough. Consuming media on this phone is definitely a good experience, at least from a visual point of view, because as far as the audio goes, the stereo speakers from the P20 Pro are missing here. But you get a headphone jack, and the output of that one is good. The phone has Kirin 659 chip, which keeps everything fast and snappy, and it even holds up decently when pushed into its limits in something such as gaming. The phone has 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of storage, and there is support for microSD card in the form of a hybrid slot. The Kirin 659 chip does sip battery though, but thanks to that 3000 mAh battery, you will have no trouble getting through a day, even with intense usage something like camera and gaming. The phone runs on EMUI version 8.2 on top of Android 8.0. The phone supports a face unlock and the fingerprint scanner, which is extremely fast and accurate. Talking about the camera, it has a lot of functionalities and has my favorite Pro mode too. It is present in almost all Huawei and Honor devices. The phone has a dual camera setup to the back. First, there is a primary 16 megapixel f2.2 camera and secondary 2 megapixel depth sensor. On the selfie front, we get a 24 megapixel f2.0 shooter with a wide 78-degree field of view. So overall, it has a reasonably good set of cameras here. Not the best, but definitely not bad. And on that note, let's get to the price. The P20 Lite is priced as 20,000 rupees, and for this price you get a splendid looking phone, compact and easy to use single-handed, with reasonably good cameras, a great battery life, and lots of storage. With that said, I think that's it for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.